So, my name is Alya. I'm a dentist. So, I got to know about this workshop from Dr. Selina's WhatsApp status. But long before that, I Googled about options for dentists who wants to venture out of clinical, and I came across Medic Things Malaysia. But then I just diddle about contacting, and then I sent an email to you, and then I sent a mail to you, and you told me that now that we are disruptive doctors, I met with Dr. Selina, and I was waiting for the 2025 program, and when I saw your status, I was like, yeah, I need to sign up real fast so that I can start making plans to transition out of my clinical journey. My biggest takeaway is first I got to learn some things about myself that I didn't even know about. And the second is I would know that there are so many alternative careers that is actually available from me. Those are the two things. I think I become more optimistic than fair coming in through the door just now, because I feel like there's that light at the end of the tunnel, and I can start making real plans for me to transition out of my clinical job. My advice is don't diddle babble like me, if you had that thought, you can just come to the workshop and see what we can offer you. Then you'll have more clarity of what you want to do. Can't wait for the conference in August. I will definitely be attending it.